let's see how this works now. So, looking at the main event, Jack Della Maddalena, 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 JDM for short, is going against the cheater, Islam Makhachev. And 29 to 34, 1 inch difference in height. Now, Jack had to get that good old cover for him to make weight on 170. I didn't realize, actually, no, I think I did realize he has longer arms than Islam. Islam looks like he's got bigger shoulders. And Islam's probably going to cheat, just more than likely grab some gloves. But I hope JDM wins. There's a couple ways it's going to go. Either JDM's going to keep it on the feet, stuff the takedowns, or he's going to be able to go down, get back up quick. Islam's going to get tired. He's got that extra weight on him. He's going to start getting pieced up in the third or fourth rounds. Otherwise, more than likely what's going to happen is Islam's going to have his way with him. He's going to take him down, and he's going to hold him down and submit him. Probably in the first or second round, maybe even third. But if it goes in the fourth or fifth, I'll start leaning towards JDM. But who knows? Who knows? Never seen Islam at welterweight, so it'd be interesting to see. I'm actually excited for the co-main. Not much people are, but actually a woman fight that I'd be interested in watching. Zhang Weili is about to whoop some ass. Well, I hope she does, at least. She has a great personality, and just the way she talked in the fight, press conference, and just leading this upcoming week, she sounds like she's in it. She's got that dog in her. She's gonna win. Valentina just kind of sounds like a loser right now, so it's hard to put, confidence on her winning. Now, I didn't really look at the weight. Man, I didn't really look at the weigh-ins this week, but I could have sworn Weili weighed at 125. Maybe I'm wrong, but that doesn't look right. Regardless, I think Weili is going to take Valentina down and whoop her ass on the ground. I think that's what's going to happen. Now, I don't know why everyone fucking cares about Michael Morales. I don't give a shit about him. But, I haven't seen enough fights for me to give a shit about him. I've seen Sean Brady fight. I've seen Sean Brady lose. I watched that Bilal fight. It really depends. I think Sean Brady's going to pull it out, but it really depends. That one is a toss-up. With the age and the difference in reach, if it stays on the feet, I think Sean Brady's in for some trouble. If it doesn't stay on the feet, and Sean Brady can, threaten the chance of a takedown, then more than likely he's going to win. But if it stays on the feet, Michael's probably going to piece him up. Now, oh, great. Yeah, speaking of Sean Brady, Leon Edwards and Carlos Prates. Leon Edwards is going to be on like a Tony Ferguson-esque slide. He's about to lose another fight. He ain't going to win another fight, and he's not going to win another fight. Leave it at that. Don't even have to go into more discussion about that. Okay, Beneil. My God, he tried to make weight. He really did. He came in late. Yeah, the other one must have been wrong for Zhang Weili, because that's definitely not right. I know he didn't make weight. I watched that, and he's old. He's fighting to make weight. They want Benoit Saint Denis to win. Yeah, Beneil's definitely not going to win that one. He doesn't even have a puncher's chance, because he doesn't throw punch hard at all. I really wasn't going to go through the preliminary, but because of Bo Nickel being on there, for fun, it would be nice to see Bo Nickel lose. For fun. It would be fun and funny to watch that, because they hyped him up so hard. But I think he'll pull that off. Rivaldo Vera, mediocre. It'd been more intriguing to see Roman Kopylov versus Bo Nickel than fucking what they're already doing prior. This is still an interesting fight. Uh, hmm, going with Roman. But Gregory's definitely got the punching chance. Tracy Cortez honestly looked like she was going to die from the weigh-ins. She's going to get beat for sure by Erin Blanchfield. Now these, I'm going to be honest. I don't know enough about Ethan Ewing. With that being said, I'm going Malcolm Wellmaker. I feel like something's off with the weight. They didn't update this thing on Google. Regardless, any other fights? Gerald Mearshart is getting sacrificed to Kyle Dacus. Whenever you see that name, the other name across from it's gonna win. Plain and simple. And you know what? We got Pat Sabatini. He's gonna win. He's gonna beat Chepe Marisco. If I even said that right. Angela Hill. How in the fuck is she not cut? 18 and 15. Man, I remember watching her when she didn't have 10 losses. Holy shit. Yeah, she's gonna lose. Don't even have to look at another lady. Don't even know anything about the other lady. Angela Hill's gonna lose. Bulbasaur. Serg go fuck himself off. I'm just kidding. I don't know his name at all. Bastian Gore, Sirsakrayaf, butchered. I'm going to go with that name. The crazy name that I can't pronounce. Go with that one. He's winning. Strictly on that. Vyacheslav Borishev. Oof. Just because it lands in the Shev doesn't mean it's going to win. Who's Mateus Camilo? Is he Brazilian? Jaguar. I don't even know him. Born Brazil. When in doubt, go with the Brazilian. Brazilian's gonna win. Mateus Camilo. That is all said and done. I guess too bad I couldn't make this more entertaining, but top it off with what I started with. JDM is gonna lose. I hope he doesn't. He's going to. Now, that being said, was he told to lose? Who knows? They really like to make Islam the greatest of all. The Russian market, not even the Russian market, let's say what it is, the Muslim market, the Islamic market, is definitely more profitable for the whole Middle East over there for the UFC compared to Australia. So who does the UFC prefer wins? Of course, Islam. So anything that happens in that cage, whether it's eye pokes, fence grabs, glove grabs, if Islam's doing it, the ref's going to be, looking away. He's going to turn a blind eye to it unless it's so egregious he has to say something. And, man, yeah, I hope Jack wins, but man, oh man, when I watch them next to each other, it doesn't look like Islam's that small, but it's a toss-up on what could happen. It's the unknown of Islam moving up, and the unknown if they're going to allow him to cheat. I hope the co-main's not dull and boring. There's a chance, just because it's a woman's fight, it could be dull and boring. But when you see Zhang Weili in there, she whoops some ass and she makes it entertaining. Yeah, just hopefully it's not a snooze fest. And this is a late video, so I hope people still can see it. But yeah, the hope is JDM wins. What's gonna happen is Islam's gonna win. The hope is Weili's gonna win. There's a fat chance that Valentina actually looks a little bit bigger than Zhang when they were standing next to each other. There's a little chance that she could play like a pussy and hold her down and just kind of hold her down the whole time. There's a chance. Same thing with him. Same chance. He might hold him down and be kind of a pussy about it, but hopefully not. I can't get that fight of Bilal beating him out of my head. Bilal is not that good. Like, the fact that Bilal is champion is still insane. And then you got Leon. The fish out of water, Leon, I should say. He looks like literally like a sucker fish out of water. His eyes popping out of his head. Leon's gonna get slept. Beneil's gonna get slept. Yeah, hopefully it's a great fight night. And, yeah. Subscribe. I can't go live at all because supposedly you have to have 50 subscribers. Just starting out this channel. And, yeah, MMA MISFIRE. Subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Let me know your thoughts on how good this video was, bad it was, whatever, what I should do better, how I can improve it. Thank you. Have a good day, and hopefully the fights are fun. Enjoy, everyone. Bye-bye. If I can remember how to stop recording. Now